Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make a quiz within Canvas. And quizzes can count as surveys, tests, a quiz, a practice quiz, tons of different things. Super cool. So I'm looking at the module that I want to create the quiz in, and say on Friday I want the kids to take just a little quiz to wrap up the week. I'm going to hit the plus sign and change that to quiz, and add a new quiz. I will name it, let's do Friday's quiz. I usually just put it within whatever group it counts towards. Like, is it a quiz? It goes in quizzes. If it's an assignment, it goes in assignments. And I'll add item. Remember, it always drops it down to the bottom, so I drag it up to the top to where I want it, and I will click on it to edit. You just click edit, and this is where you can add questions, you can add instructions, change all the settings. And let's go ahead, we can put for the instructions, you will have 15 minutes to complete the quiz. It's the same thing as the pages and assignments and all the other different options whenever you're doing this toolbar. You can add links to places within the course on Canvas. You can do external links outside of Canvas, images, video recordings, audio recordings, YouTube, Google Docs, anything you want added in this section. So the quiz types, if you go down, you can see there's tons of different, there's four different options for quizzes. So a practice quiz is going to be something that is not counted towards their final grade at all. A graded quiz will be counted. A graded survey is just on complete versus incomplete. They'll get points for doing it. And ungraded is not graded whatsoever. So the surveys, the difference between the quizzes and the surveys are quizzes have right or wrong answers, whereas surveys do not. So let's do a graded quiz. We are going to go ahead and have it sync to our SIS so that it talks to Infinite Campus. We can go ahead and have it shuffle answers. We'll throw in that time limit of 15 minutes like I said, but I won't allow multiple attempts. That's up to you. It's whatever fits with your needs for this assignment. So you can have students see their quiz responses, like incorrect questions will be marked in student feedback. You can allow only once after each attempt or let students see the correct answers. A lot of different options there. You can have them see just one question at a time. I kind of like this just because it's not as overwhelming as if they see a whole page of questions. You can also have it require an access code, and so the students have to have some kind of code to get into it. You can also filter IP addresses if you're really, really wanting it to be locked down and secure. And same thing as assignments, you can have it assigned to certain people within the group or within your course and have it due and available from and until on there. So let's go ahead and save it. We'll go back into edit and we'll go ahead and add some questions. So you can do new question group, and this will section up your questions. To me, I think a lot of quizzes as like Google form, whenever we use Google Classroom, and how you could section questions on Google form, so only 3 or 4 would show at one time. So that can come in handy. So let's add a new question. You can label it, like I'll do question 1. You have so many options for questions. So you can do multiple choice, true or false, fill in the blank for multiple blanks, multiple answers, drop downs, matching, tons of different options. So it's super cool. I'm going to go ahead and do a multiple choice question. I'm going to say, who was our first president? The correct answer is Washington. And let's throw in Obama, Bush, and Trump. You can even, this is what's super cool, you can have feedback. So if you want, whenever the kids get that correct answer, you can type congrats, if I can spell, congrats, and they'll get that little message whenever they choose that answer. If you wanted to say sorry, better luck next time, you can have it say that. So that's pretty cool. To me, I think, because I love memes and I love GIFs, I would probably use this to put funny or sad memes if they get their question wrong, it's a sad meme. If they get it right, then it's a yay funny meme. So pretty cool. An update question, and there it is. And you just keep on working and adding your questions. So super fun, super simple, and just hit save. And you can even preview the quiz, and so you can see exactly what the kids will see. And so we knew I put congrats, so let's see if it does. I don't think, oh, because we're doing the publish. Oh yeah, it does. Okay, awesome. So that's pretty cool. That was my first time trying that. So that's cool that it shows them, yes, they got it right and congrats. So, and that is how you can see a quiz or create a quiz on Canvas.